Welcome to Vintage Bricks. James, your host. Before me, I have a diorama. I guess that's what we call it. It is Futuron. Everything that I love about Futuron here. And we have the different sets and how it fits together. And so I want you back up and I'll turn the train on. You can kind of see how it works here, okay? So show me here. You kind of see it all now? Okay, so I'll turn this one on first. I'll flip the little dial. It should start going around in a circle. Oh, yes. Makes that very distinctive sound. And then I'll turn this train on. And it's going to head up around here. And it's going to come right back at me here. It's going to go up and then come back. And then I have one more to turn on over here to get this one going. Switch this over here. So everything should be going around now. This set really mesmerizes the children and with the activity. And you can see why the Futurons really kind of brought life to the space theme in 1987. Right after the classic space, they came out with the translucent blue colors and these sets. And something about things moving. It's so amazing. I'm going to go just quickly talk about the different sets I have in here. One is the monorail. Of course, the monorail. That reminds me of the monorail up in Seattle, Washington near us. They have a monorail, which I grew up doing, so I love monorails. What a great little set this is. Got 3 of those here, of course. Then I have something called the Cosmic Laser Launcher, which is this guy right here. And it launches up into the sky. The Futurons were all about development and exploring, and so that was pretty cool. And I have him guarding up in the sky here. So you see him. Then up here, guarding the whole base, is the Star Defender 200. Now, those of who have been following me, my last video, I went specifically over the monorail and how all the switches and things work. But I will just do one more switch where I'll bring this train back into here. So let's see if I can't get this to work and have it come into here. So I'll come down through here, and I have to be careful or else I'm going to send it to the other track and have a traffic jam. So we'll just kind of come in and have it come back. It should come in and then come back. I want to show you an overhead, the static view of the layout, how I could get 3 trains going at the same time on this track. Well, on to the vignettes. Well, let's take a look at the little scenes I have. Here we have, this is sort of the debris pile. I got the antennas in here and some parts here. And this is the worker crew all wear red, being supervised by the yellow guy, he must be. And then we have, this guy finds debris and drops it off here. So that's that little vignette. And let's see what's going on back here. Oh, we had an accident. Okay, one of our little carriers of our supplies fell over, and we brought the repair cart in here. And I think the repair cart even has lights. Let's see if I can turn that on. Come on, repair cart. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, we've already talked about the laser launcher, I think. But here's a laser launcher. And because the Futuron are all about exploring. And they'd come in here and then, blast off into the stars. Oh, what's going on behind us here? Well, all the time here we have look at that. Have our guys coming in to do a little bit of mischief here. Okay, the Blacktron, and of course they're met by the space police here, and it's a standoff. This happens all the time. The Blacktrons just kind of check the border out, and the space police who are helping to protect the technology of the base and everybody. So that seems like that's a standoff there. Now the blue team appropriately are running some of the supply-based transfer points, and they keep things moving here. I think they come over here from the recycle, they come in here, and then they come around the track to over here. They land, and then they drive over here, drop their stuff off here. That's a little fuel dump there, and another little space protection set. And they come up, and then they load the monorail, which we'll get going here. Go, monorail, go! And finally, let's do a close-up of our Futuron minifigures hard at work in our diorama. So the Futurons were just a kind of a different version of the classic space. The zipper, and they had the planet on the upper left. Now they have a visor where the classic space did not have a visor. So that's one clue there. And of course, they came in 3 colors. Oh, well, maybe 4 if you include black here. And the same smiley, happy faces. So, quite an accomplished group. Thank you for coming to Vintage Bricks. I hope you enjoyed the diorama, and I have many more I'm working on. I got to do individual sets and things, and if you enjoy vintage Lego sets, please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.